What's up, world? It's your boy FBeezy. I got my hands on some of this joint. They thought I couldn't make it in the microwave, so took this lid right here and made this chocolate chip pancakes. I took chocolate chip pieces and put it in the batter. I got the eggs, I got the pancakes, I got the sausages. Chef HOG, he a microwave.